We're done with the customs, we're done with the marine office, and now we got a spot as far into the marina as you can come. This marina is completely overfull, but because we have such a small boat, they managed to squeeze us into the best spot in the whole marina. So good. Okay guys, time for the anchor drum. We f***ing made it across the Atlantic. Cheers!
Woo, nearly.
Whiskey in a jar.
Whiskey in a jar. Aye.
Ah!
Oh man. Adventure time. Come on, grab your friends.
Go to very distant lands with John the banjo player and Remy the food eater. The fun will never end. It's adventure time. What's going on?
Taking 1, 2, 1, 2.
So today we are out on a little adventure here. We took a taxi to the northwest side of Faial, and there's a lighthouse here, and it's supposed to be like sort of volcanic sort of place as well. As you can see around us, it's just volcanic sand and volcanic soil everywhere. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. So right now we're at the volcanic center. And apparently the lighthouse here survived the last volcanic eruption, but half of the lighthouse got put underground. So right now this building's underground, and that part of the lighthouse is a part of this whole museum. So you can go underground and go into the old lighthouse, which sounds pretty cool. But we're gonna go out and hike first. Behind that hill over there, there's a big volcano on Faial, and that's the one that exploded in 58, so 60 years ago it exploded, and this whole landmass around here was born out of the ocean. So this is, yeah, like this is not old at all, this land we're standing on now, so that's pretty interesting, pretty unique. We're back after the hike. John is practicing for his gig tonight at the pub. It's gonna be good. A lot of beer. We just took this ferry over to the neighboring island called Pico, and now our plan is to make it up on the highest mountain in Portugal. Found a car, 5 tiny Swedish guys. It's gonna fit inside this. We started the climb now, and we made it like maybe 100 or 200 height meters. We got still another 800 to go. We're almost at the top. I am the last man standing. Nicholas is on his way up, and the others are basically up there. Almost there. 2,351 meters. Few small steps for me, but big steps for humankind. Sweden have conquered the highest top of Portugal. And that's our boat down there somewhere.
Happy we managed to avoid the clouds, some clear skies. Beautiful setting. Made it in 2 hours.
New record. It's on our way up to the top. It's just been getting colder and colder, but now we've got to the absolute top. It's like hot air coming out from the volcano. So up here it's actually really hot and really noisy because there's a drone flying around. What do you think about the sight, guys? The view is
spectacular.
stunning. Hello. So we made it down from the mountain. We're pretty exhausted right now, and we're gonna head to a restaurant, which we don't know anything about, but it's gonna be nice to get some food finally. This guy right here with a stick is a new crew member, and right now we're in a pine tree forest. Pretty special, and we're heading for a waterfall. Introduce yourself.
Hey! Hello, I'm Hampus.
Nice to meet you, Hampus. I hope he can set sails and steer a boat and cook beans with pasta sauce.
Make it sound so exciting.
I'll do my best.
It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. Good crossing. So this is what they in the Azores call a waterfall. I don't know. It's more of a water drop drizzle thing. It's pretty cool though. It looks pretty dope. If there would have been a lot of water, it would have been real cool. What do you think about this place, John?
I think it's fucking great. Looking for some goddamn ferries and shit out here. It's fucking beautiful.
Well, still in the Azores, but we're going to Ireland eventually. So we made it to the top of Faial. This is how a volcanic crater looks like. It's huge.
It's so cool.
It's like straight over from here to the other side of the crater is 2 kilometers. So it's like, it's huge. Like there's no way I'm walking around this crater today. But it's pretty cool. We got Horta down there with our boat. So we just ate some lunch buffet, way too much as usual. And now I'm gonna try to find some caves here at the south coast of Faial. Looks pretty promising. So we are in this cave right now. It's actually a lava tube that comes down from the volcano, and it's pretty cool. It's like stalactites and stalagmites in here, so you gotta be a little bit careful, but it's supposed to be like 200 meters long, so let's go. So now we're about 150 meters into the cave, and this is the end. So it's pretty cool. It's like stalactites everywhere and like gold, a little bit, no, like a gold pattern on the roof. It's not gold, but there's a gold pattern, so it's pretty cool. Right now we're at the northeastern point of Faial, and there's a lot of echo here because it's some sort of thing down here. And this is a lighthouse, like a super old lighthouse, which is falling apart, but it's pretty cool. Okay, we have done some shopping for the next crossing. We're gonna spend between 9 and 13 days on the ocean, so gotta have something to eat. Is that a pair of flying horns? Is that a pair of flying horns? It only happens on the Azores. What do you think, Ruben?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
It's pretty cool. What did you say?
Oh dear.
Oh god.